Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm about to do an unboxing and sorta we're gonna test this out. So I'm finally using my gift I got for Christmas, which is this Pop and Dulge movie night popcorn set. It comes with 3 non-GMO kernels. We got 5 premium seasonings, which is classic salted butter, cheesy garlic parmesan, better white cheddar, dreamy chive, fiery hot pepper. Yeah, so the 3 kernels that comes with is golden classic, popping blue, ruby crunch kernels. So let's unbox this and we're gonna test this out. One thing about me, when I get stuff for like Christmas and holidays and whatever, I don't use them. They basically just sit and collect dust, which is bad. But it is what it is. How do we open this thing? Never mind. Ooh. Yes. I wish I had a table. That's one thing I don't have is a table. So hopefully it doesn't make this mic covered up. So it comes with an instruction. This is what they give you. You know. Oh, you can get a gift card. Oh, I might have to do this so we can get this. I know I might be late, but it is what it is. It comes with a popcorn lovers to and from. It comes with some popcorn bags. Definitely will be utilizing that. And this is what we got. Don't these look good? Oh, I did not know that this box comes with each flavor has its own popcorn kernel. On the box it says 3 kernels. Ooh. Which flavor should we try? We got classic salted butter, cheesy garlic parmesan, better white cheddar, creamy chive dreamy, and fiery hot pepper. I think I want to try the cheesy. No, that might be too much right now. We're going to try the white better cheddar, which is this one in the middle. Oh, I'm so excited. And last but not least, I found this. Yes, I got this from Timu before they went through their situation. And we have a microwave popcorn maker. We're gonna test this out too. So y'all gonna get my full honest review. Let's see if it really like makes the popcorn perfect. And it says no oil. So you basically just pop this up like this. Hopefully, yes, like this. Pour your kernels in, and then you put it in the microwave. So let's go. All right, guys. So we done got our stuff set up. All I heard was you're supposed to just. All right, so we're basically just supposed to pour this whole thing in here, and mm, so yeah, I had to cut this open. We're just supposed to pour it in here, put the lid on, and put it in the microwave. I guess for 2 minutes, and let's see. All right, guys, we got some popcorn. Ooh, it works. And I think I only paid like $1 for this, so we're gonna put in our white cheddar seasoning, and we're gonna test this out. Oh, I hope I don't stab myself. All right, so we got our powder up here. So let's give it a great little mix. All right, let's taste this. Need a little bit more powder. Oh Lord, it's making a mess. Want to try some, Reggie? All right. I'm making a mess. Does it? Listen, in life you make messes. So you want to try some?
Yeah, what flavor is it? White cheddar?
Supposedly, it don't taste like it's on it like that.
Maybe because you was making a mess.
No. Yeah. Let's try this.
What is that? Is it supposed to be like a green onion?
This is messy. This is messy.
Maybe because you didn't open it right. You know, you just think about that. I never eat popcorn.
Messy and all. It's like it's missing something. The seasoning is not adhering to this, but it's popcorn. So yeah, I think maybe you need some butter with this, but just take that regular popcorn to me.
Like, subscribe.
So yeah, it's alright.
Like, subscribe.
It's alright.
Like, subscribe.
Yeah. And it did get majority of
I like the kernel.
of the popcorns pop.
I like eating the kernel. Give me the popcorn. Really good. Give me the popcorn.
Yeah, it is what it is.
It got all under my nail. It's at the bottom. That's why. Oh, it's hot.
All right. There you guys have it. I will see you in the next one.
It wasn't good. Subscribe.